I'm home. Kakauwi ko lang and I just did my skin care routine for the night. Ayan. So, quick update lang. For my hair, baby hair pa rin. Pero my hair is still so soft. Ayan, wala pa rin sabit. Ayan. And tandaan nyo guys, shampoo pa lang. Shampoo lang yarn. So, yun. As for my skin naman, honestly, may napansin akong something different from my first video, which is day 1. Today is day 2. It is dito sa part na to. So, alam ko, zinum ko yung part ko na yun dyan. Kung saan, meron akong parang acne marks na kinutkot ko. Ayan dito. And, naglighten na itong side. Ito din yung scar ko na to. Nagsa-start na siyang maglighten ako. And then, yung mga wounds ko dito, healed na, as in flat na siya guys. Pantay na siya sa skin ko mismo. So, that's good. Ayan o, pantay na siya. Wala na siyang lubak or anything. Ito may konting bump pa. Pero I believe kaya na siya mag-heal soon. Ito, hindi siya sugat eh. Pero parang may bump pa. Parang may laman pa siya sa loob. Pero yan. Ito, flat na. Healed na. Ito din. Actually, tumutubo pa to. Alam ko nung tinry ko yung skincare. So, that's pretty exciting. I am looking forward to yung talagang hindi ko na kailangan ituro. Pero para makita nyo yung difference. Ganyan. But this is just day 2, guys. Ayan. Yung pores ko dito, di ko napansin kung lumiit. So, we'll have to check in the coming days kung liliit pa siya than this. Pero, ayan, yun yung pores ko ngayon dyan. Tapos, meron pa akong maliliit na acne dito. Hopefully, mawala na yan soon. Meron pa akong konting lines here. Yan. So, yun ang ating target for the next couple of days. Yan. But guys, again, this is just day 2 of using the product. So, I'll keep you posted. So, follow me on my journey and let me know if you're interested to try them as well. I can send you the links on where to buy it, or we can set a meeting for you to see talaga. As in, papakita ko sa inyo guys yung actual skin ko right now. So, yan. Basta may ito Manila guys ha.